Hi, welcome to this video. Building a custom GPT for a brand voice requires defining your core values, adding clear examples, and testing your output. Key steps include setting instructions, uploading writing samples, and refining the tone. So if you upgraded your ChatGPT to a plus or more, then you can go ahead and hit create GPT, right? Or create custom GPT here. And it says get ChatGPT Plus to create and share your own GPTs. So you can just hit upgrade to the plus version, right? Where you can create your own GPT, right? You need, of course, to name you need to name your GPT, write system prompts, right? Like the tone, rules, and words to avoid, and the behavior bounds. Tell the GPT to ask questions if it is unsure, right? And also, you need to add brand guidelines, provide good examples, give 3 to 5 examples of your best writing, provide bad examples, right? Show text that does not sound like your brand, right? And then run the test prompts, right? Ask it to write a short post or email. Fix mistakes. Update your instructions when it sounds too robotic or casual. Lock the style. Save your final version for your team. So consider liking this video, subscribe it. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.